Since there was an issue raised by the local habitat of this pollution, immediately the port has swung into action and covered the stackyard so that this cargo doesn't blow in the air. At the same time, in the long run, we are thinking of converting this area into a container yard. So we are studying whether it is feasible to convert this into a container, but surely we are not going to store there any dry bulk cargo in future. We are thinking of brick bulk like granite, steel and container boxes to be stored over there.
ग्रॅनायटाक नुस्तेकारांची हरकत ना.
आता ते मी तालपत्री घालून ते बंद केला आणि आता ते सांगता की ते काडटले म्हणून मागता जाता तितले बेगीन ते काडचें कित्याक आमकडे ते सोंसपाक जायना आणि आमी ते काडणारे आमी कुत्तून प्रॉब्लेम करतले आणि हेज्या उपरांत हे एक पाटी थिंगासरली काडटकच थिंगा होगत कंटेनर ना जाल्यार ग्रॅनाइट स्टोरिंग करपाक जाय कित्याक आमकां तेजेर कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना फिशरमॅनाक.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.